All right, let's look at the United States Supreme Court. It's letting racist discrimination run wild in the election system. The court has approved or tolerated massive voter roll purges, extreme gerrymandering, and election laws that have a desperate impact on minorities. The U.S. Supreme Court, in a 5-4 decision, used the ruse that it was too close to an election, 3 months away, to scrap a racially discriminatory Republican-drawn legislative map in Alabama. A lower court had previously ruled against the state because its gerrymandering congressional districts diluted the voting strength of African Americans by ensuring that 27% of Alabama's population would garner only 14% of the state's congressional representation. But that reality didn't faze 5 justices. The U.S. Supreme Court was just fine with letting a policy designed to disenfranchise black voters unfurl and do the damage in an upcoming federal election. The Roberts Court bears no resemblance to the one in the 1960s and has all the anti-voting right earmarks of the courts after the Civil War, the Jim Crow era. The Roberts Court's assault on the Voting Rights Act and the 15th Amendment has been relentless and brutal to the American democracy. The Shelby County versus Holder in 2013 ended the most powerful tool in the Voting Rights Act wheelhouse. Pre-clearance and allowed states and jurisdictions with a demonstrated history of racial discrimination to implement laws and election policies without the prior approval of the U.S. Department of Justice or the federal court system in Washington, D.C. They've got 5 justices on this court that is nothing but racially insensitive. It's 5 white supremacists. They no longer pay attention to jurisprudence. It's all political ideology. Everything that comes out of that court is tearing apart the Constitution and all precedents. It has nothing to do with jurisprudence and everything to do with political ideology. So, Biden is talking about upping the Supreme Court justices. No. What you need to do is eliminate 1, make it an even court, 8 justices, but 4 Republican and 4 Democrats. If you want equal representation on the court system, nobody's got to one-up on somebody. It will no longer be political. Right now, it's a political disaster. 8 representative justices, 4 Republicans, 4 Democrats, and then when you have bipartisan agreement on something, then you know it's correct. But right now, all you got running the Supreme Court is political ideology. No matter who gets in charge, Republicans or Democrats. But it needs to be equal in order to have fair play on a Supreme Court. If not, this country is going to fail as a democracy. So if President Biden wants to be fair about it and bring law back to this country, eliminate one of those justices and appoint 4 Republicans and 4 Democrats. That will take care of the problem in the United States Supreme Court. Thank you.